Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 0x0003. It goes off a NVIDIA GeForce experience. So all you have to do now, open the nvidia.com and download manually GeForce experience, the latest version of this app here. So if you already have the previous one, please uninstall it, remove it from your PC. And also you can try to search by run msconfig and click on services. So if you have NVIDIA services here, please uncheck first, and then you can install, or reinstall the GeForce experience tools here. Then here, if you still have that problem, you cannot use the GeForce experience, you can go to the NVIDIA forum. Here there's like solution from other users, like how you can regedit or registry editor. You can use it, HK local machine, blah blah blah. So you can try to open by run and try to type open regedit here, click OK, and then try to open by manually the HK local machine. You can try to follow the guide here, local machine software Microsoft, this one Microsoft, and try to search a Windows current version to the files program, for example. So feel free to try. Please read carefully. Maybe this forum can helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you